Hey you guys, we have a lot to do today. I need to get all my tomato plants and some peppers and a couple of other plants repotted. I have some of them that aren't looking so hot. I think they're just stressed, but I could be wrong. They might have a disease. I moved all the ones that look kind of weird into one basket, and then all the other ones I moved into a separate basket just so we aren't spreading anything, just in case. Several tomatoes that I need to get repotted, but we're gonna work on that, and so yeah, just come along with me today. It's the evening of the Sabbath, the last Sabbath in April. And look at all of our garlic so happily sticking up. See how good they're doing? All the way down. And the one next to them as well. They're all looking really happy. I have a couple of broken drippers I'm gonna have to fix. I'll show you guys how to do that. You see how it's creating these big old divots in the soil. I'm gonna have to fill that back in. But the garlic overall is doing really well and is looking really happy so far. I obviously missed some garlic last time. Last time when I was harvesting. Some of these were really hard to get out of the ground. And so I'm not surprised that I'm having a couple of random ones pop up. There were a few that I tried to, pull up and they broke off, and I tried to dig them up and I couldn't find them. So it shows you how hard some of those were to get out, and that I lost, and I just kind of was like, forget it. Rhubarb is coming up really nicely. Looking beautiful and green. There was some mole or something that had done this over the winter. I actually had to undig this crown. I honestly was worried that it would start rotting just because it was so buried. But it looks like it's doing all right, so that's cool. Our local food bank had an overflow of bananas. I don't usually do the food bank stuff, but we're begging people to come get them. So we went ahead and grabbed some. I went and grabbed 2 boxes of bananas. We're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna make some banana bread. I might freeze. I probably am just gonna freeze a bunch, and maybe I might dehydrate some. Now that we have that banana bread in the oven cooking, There's my oven. I think I'm just gonna freezer bag all of these. I'm gonna put them in individual Ziploc bags. Bread, these are really ripe, a lot riper than what they look. Because usually at this stage they seem like they usually have a little more firmness, but these really don't. I don't think that they would dry well, just because they are so mushy, but they were perfect for banana bread. And so yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Come along with me as we try to preserve some of these bananas and make use of them so that they don't go to waste.